conference will now be recorded.
So normally, what is template? Why we are using template? You aware of it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. To create another machine, mimic the other machine and make it faster. So, or clone it or whatever. Template is kind of cloning the machine.
No, clone is different. Okay,
Cloning is
template is
different kind of. Yeah,
yeah,
template
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
you use that default configuration. You have a standard configuration. Reuse it and create another VM, which will be faster because you have all pre-configured setup
Correct,
are already there.
correct. So template is nothing but the MOS environment. So MOS environment, if we want to do multiple machine with the same configuration, then no need to go for the clone. We can able to create one of the machine,
Mm-hmm.
okay, with all the configuration, and need to install all the application also in that particular machine and tested it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if it's working fine, that machine we can able to convert as a template and deploy
Mm-hmm.
multiple machine. That is how we will be using all the stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I just show you what is the thing they are trying. Yeah, the template is a master copy of a virtual machine. It is used to create and provision new virtual machine. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
template is an image that typically include a guest operation, a set of application, and a specific virtual machine configuration. What that means some of the application they require memory and CPU is high, and some of the settings they will be used for the specific machines, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that we can able to set for that. Okay, so how to create that one? See, I just already we have one of the VM, right? VM1 yesterday we have created, correct?
Mm-hmm.
There are two types in the template. One is clone to template, one is convert to template. There are two options it will be shown. Okay, what
Mm-hmm.
is clone to template? The machine will be available. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
same machine will be reflected as a template. See how it's, I just clicking on this
Or right
and
click. You.
clone to template. Okay, so once you click on this,
Mm-hmm.
we can create template one or v1. It just put it as v1 and click on data
Mm-hmm.
center where it need to be placed, and click on next on which host we want to register this. Okay,
All right. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
so next, so we need to give the data store where
Data
need to be
store.
stored. Yeah, so we don't have no sufficient space, so we'll do one thing, we'll create one more VM, dummy VM. Now the machine has been created. Right click,
Mm-hmm.
template, clone to template. If you click on this, it will show the data store. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
once you click on next, it will ask for the all the configuration and click on finish. Now the machine will be available, same machine it will be reflected in the template also. See, you can able to see.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a template. Okay, this machine we can able to convert or clone or from this template we can able to make it as a multiple deployment of virtual machine.
Okay.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
one more option I shown, right? So what is that thing? Convert to template, right? I'm just powering on this particular VM. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, space is not available. See, VM is power on now. Right
Mm-hmm.
click, template. This convert to template is it will be hidden. So you cannot able to do once the machine is
Well,
power on.
okay.
Okay,
Convert to template.
you can able to do only when virtual machine is off. Right click, template, convert to template. So that machine will be converted into the template. See, you got
Mm-hmm.
it?
Yeah.
So this is how the template it will be work. So this is how they are mentioned in that. So I just sent that PPT yesterday, so you can able to see in
Okay.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Now what is clone?
A mirror copy.
No, we have to tell that exact technical term as a exact copy because the machine.
Exact copy.
So yeah, machine already having that, right? We are just right
Mm-hmm.
click and cloning means the same set of amount of files it will be copied in the things, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So first option when we see, right, clone to template, you
Mm-hmm.
correct, convert,
Yeah.
clone to template and convert to template, right?
Mm-hmm.
Clone to template, what is happen? The already machine is there. Another machine it will be created as a template, correct? With the say with all the configuration, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So that is how the clone, because the clone it will be the exact copy actually. I just converting this machine as a template to again virtual machine. Okay. Now the machine is there, so you
Can
can
you go
see this.
slow a little bit? I don't know
Okay, fine.
where you clicking and where you getting this one, but I'm not very familiar with it. So you have to kind of
Okay,
say,
fine,
okay,
fine,
you have
fine,
to go
fine.
there.
Wait, I'll just go again.
I'm gonna have you. I'm gonna send you one of the video that I looked at on your website, and you might want to check out. And this is what I expected to you to go in and. Mm, so that one you can check it out later.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay.
Why this Iran is? So I just again I just making as a template this machine. Okay, I'll tell you how to come back with that template to virtual machine. Okay. So now what I done it. So this particular machine I just want to convert to the virtual machine. Okay. Right click, convert to virtual machine.
Mm-hmm.
So once you click on this, machine will be coming back to the virtual machine again. So click on which host you want to make it. So next and finish. Again, this machine will be back to as a virtual machine.
Oh.
You got, you got it.
You went so fast, but okay. uh,
Now also, this is the option. I cannot. I didn't do anything. This is the option they are given it. That's it. One or two options. That's it.
okay.
There are option. It will be there. One or two. That's it. We need to select the
Mm,
host and we need to select the data store where need to be come back. That's it. Nothing among from that. But
okay.
option should be known that. That's it.
So
That
when you have a VM and when you select the convert to template, so it, a VM will convert directly to template and a
correct.
VM will be gone.
Correct. Exactly correct.
Okay, so there will be only one template or one the current
Or
VM will be gone for forever.
correct. For
So you
that is convert to template. Not
right,
for
and when
clone.
you do clone, that means you still have your VM and you still just creating a clone
Creating a clone of that particular VM and it
VM,
will
right?
be convert as a
Right. So
template.
you have a both. You'll still have a your
Exactly
original
correct.
VM and the template new one.
Correct. If the template is not required, that may make it as a VM. Then right click on that
Hmm.
template and convert to template. That's it. Nothing much.
Okay. Or you
So
can
from
convert
this,
back to VM again.
yeah, that's why I
If
done
you
it.
made a mistake, you can convert back to VM, right?
Correct, correct. If you want that, don't need to that VMware template, you can template. Then you can convert that machine into the virtual machine.
VM
That's it.
again.
Correct. So from this, we can able to deploy many
Virtual machine
VMs.
from this template.
Yeah, correct. One
Okay.
more thing, it's available. One more thing I just need to highlight here. If you
Mm-hmm.
deploy this thing, the SID it will be there. You know SID, each virtual machine has a
S
SID,
has
correct?
yep. SID yep.
So here what happened, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this template got all configuration, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So click on virtual machine
Yeah.
and host and which data store you are just going for mentioning.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, do not customize means the same set of SID it will be available, correct? Whatever if you
Right.
are going for deploying 5 missions, then it will be
Mm-hmm.
already it will be there. So if
Okay.
you want to change the SID means
Mm-hmm.
you need to click on the custom using the customer wizard. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
once you click on this, it will show the computer name and all the stuff. See,
Okay. Good.
this option you have to select. Otherwise, it will be
Alright.
great. So yeah, NetBIOS name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I just keeping
Okay.
in something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what is the product key?
License key. Okay.
Okay. Next. And what
Mm-hmm.
is the password for the administrator account? If you
Mm-hmm.
want to give, you can give. Otherwise, no. So what is the time zone you have to go into specify?
Okay.
So this is nothing much.
Nothing. Yeah.
So network typical or custom setting what you are going to do
Mm-hmm.
and workstation or domain. So this
Mm-hmm.
machine should be domain or workstation. And here is the option. So generate new is
New seat. Okay.
this
All
option should
right.
be enabled.
Yeah. On Hyper-V we do sysprep.
Correct. Same thing we can do once the mission is
Mm.
done. So this is the double. So once you subscribe again, it is a double task, right? While creating it, so you can
Right.
able to make it.
Mm.
Okay. So
Mm.
this is a one method, and
Mm-hmm.
another method I'll tell you.
Okay.
This is customized wizard using the customized specification, right? This
Mm-hmm.
wizard we can able to make it. How means go to home, customize specific manager. This is the option. It will be there in the
I
vCenter.
see. Mm-hmm.
Click on that. You just click new. It will show same option. If it's Windows means Windows, Linux means
Mm-hmm.
Linux. So okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Windows means you have to give the name and it will ask for the same organization computer
Everything.
name, everything. So once it's done, so wait, I'll just show you. Okay, I just making as finished.
Mm-hmm.
And the new customer is available, right? I
Mm-hmm.
have created, correct? Now I just going for template. Right click, deploy virtual machine on this template. VM22. Next, next, next. Here you have to select this thing and you have to click on this. So
Okay.
this VM, this is another option. First
Mm-hmm.
option, it will not change anything. Second option, you can change according to that your VM. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Third option, you can able to generate the customization and make it as a thing.
Mm-hmm.
You got it right?
Yeah.
Any doubt till now? This is a
No.
template. This is how we will be working in the environment. Only main thing SID is the main for us because all the machine should not be in the same SID, right? That is the
Mm-hmm.
main they will be making us. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So clone is the exact copy of the virtual machine. Now I just creating a clone machine of its work you see. Right click, clone. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's
Mm-hmm.
it. So I just making clone and click on data center and
Mm-hmm.
click on that particular host.
Mm-hmm.
So data store and
Do not
do not
customize because
change
you're doing it. You can still customize on this one, right?
correct. This thing also
Mm.
you can able to customize whatever you want.
Mm.
So again the clone VM is power on. See.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Same thing it will be there. Nothing need to be. That's why they are make it
Right,
as
but
exact.
you need to customize it. Otherwise, it would be like if you power up both accidentally, there would be DSCP conflict.
No, DSCP it will not be complete, right? It will be give the new
Oh,
name. But
if you have a fixed IP address, then yeah.
yeah,
If you
if you
can
have
customize it.
only SID, it will be same. That's
Mm.
why we never use a customization. Okay,
Mm.
they will be run sysprep once the machine is run, or we can able to do that customization wizard.
Customization.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Mm.
I just have the differences. I just forward this thing immediately. So wait a minute. So this is the because I prepared it. Okay, this is the difference they will ask. What is the difference between? You can read it once. If let me know so that if you have any doubt or not.
Can you increase the font
Yeah,
or
yeah.
make it bigger? Okay.
Now it's okay.
Okay, that's fine. How many times you can do virtual machine can convert template back to virtual machine back and forth? Are there
You
limit
can
on
do
it?
No, there is no limit. You can do it because it's
Uh-huh.
a VM, right? So right click,
Right, yeah.
convert to virtual machine. That's it.
Ah, I see. Okay. Okay, all good.
All good, right? So I just
Yeah, you
add this
can just,
thing.
yeah, you can send it to me.
Yeah, I'll do that. Sure. Now we are just going for RDM. I just issue once storage is done, right? So then you can able to understand. The another one is the snapshot is the main for us. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So snapshot, when we will take the snapshot actually in our office? Do you
Before
have
before installing Apaches or before installing modifying the configuration on a production server.
okay, good. So any changes which I was doing in that particular machine, if it's affect or something you thought of that, then you can able to
I
take the
had to do
snapshot.
today. I was
Okay.
installing something and uninstall something because it didn't
Okay.
work. So then I had to go back because the new software I installed didn't work. So I had to go roll back to the previous image that I had.
Okay. So that is a wow. We can able to do that. So there are two things it will be done. Snapshot file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. While creating the snapshot, right, it will be make it as two files. One is memory state and delta
Mm-hmm.
file. These are the two file it will be created in the data store. Okay. So the
Uh-huh.
memory state is nothing but the VMSN. We call it as
Mm-hmm.
VMSN. And once you create the snapshot, single snapshot, it will create as a delta file. And
Mm-hmm.
snapshot list file is nothing but keep trapping of virtual machine. What is that means? So if you take the snapshot, right? So if you have multiple of 3 or 4, it will keep tracking how many snapshot is taken for this particular machine. That is the thing. It will be available in the snapshot list file actually. So the memory state is nothing but once the snapshots enable, first you will take the memory, then VMDK. Okay. So I just note it down. I'll show you how to take the snapshot and where to check that parent all the stuff. Okay. So
Okay.
now right click, snapshot, take a snapshot. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So VM1 snapshot. Okay. Just click enter. So now the snapshot has been taken. Correct. So I just going to power on this particular machine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And right click, snapshot. You can able to see the two option. You can able to see snapshot the virtual memory. Okay, that is a VMSN.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Q guest file system. What is that means if we click on this, okay,
Mm-hmm.
once the snapshot is in the process, what will happen, right? This file will stop that. Sorry.
We also forgot to remember I told you about the VM tools on when you create a VM, how to
Correct.
install it. Yeah, so we need to go back to that when you have a
Yeah,
time.
yeah, I know. Tomorrow we'll just going for the virtual machine, surely. So
Okay.
tomorrow is the concept of only virtual machine. Okay. Tomorrow I'll
Mm-hmm.
teach you whole thing, how to install that VM tools, all the stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So what is a queue, right? So the queue it will have that process will be stopping while taking the snapshot. That is a queue is the job. Okay. While
Mm-hmm.
taking the snapshot, it will stop that processor whatever it's running. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be there. So that they never do that in the environment. Okay, always they will be go for the snapshot, the virtual memory, always.
Virtual memory, not the other one. You don't select the queue.
Correct. Yeah, because
Correct.
it's a processor
It's
need to be
fast.
stopped means it will, that will not be good, right? So whatever it's
Mm-hmm.
a memory it's having, then it will be stored, correct? So while
Mm-hmm.
taking that thing, so I just clicking on okay.
Mm-hmm.
So see, it take much time because machine is power on. You got it?
Oh,
Difference
okay.
between power off and power on.
Mm.
Now, right click, snapshot. I just removing this snapshot without the memory. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what will happen? You just see. It will be
Wow.
very fast.
Right.
That's why I told. So now I just creating with memory again. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
There are totally we have created
Yeah.
four. Okay.
Right. Yep.
So right click. Now I just going back, reverting back to the VM this thing. Okay,
Mm.
without memory state. Okay, what
Mm-hmm.
will happen? You check. Go to, just click on go to option. That's it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
click on yes. What happened? It will go for the previous state. Okay,
Mm.
so now what happened? See, the machine is power off. Why?
What was it?
The machine has powered off now. Correct. You see that screen.
Yeah,
The
power
machine.
on. Yeah, yeah.
So what happened? Why it's got power off?
Because it was memory need to reload.
No, the memory
Mm.
option is not. It's not enabled. Correct. While taking the
Right.
snapshot,
Oh, okay.
always the memory from memory only the booting option it will be done. Okay. Since we are not select that booting option as a memory is not memory shared, that's why the machine has been not be power on. Okay, so we need to do the manual thing. You got it?
I didn't. No, no, I don't know what you said.
See,
You
I
confused
just
me.
no. What happened, right? Whenever the machine is going to power on, it always check from the memory. It will be boot. That is the one option. Okay, all the virtual machine it will be run from the memory. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so once you power on that VM, it will go directly to that memory state, whatever is available, and it will be power on. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now now we have clicked this particular thing is disabled, right? You
Mm-hmm.
we didn't select that snapshot with the memory state as not ticked, correct? We
Mm-hmm.
have removed it and taken the snapshot, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You got it or not?
Yeah, I don't remember which one though was the second one. Second one we did without the memory.
This one, see, this one, second, this all things is to taken with the memory. This alone without the memory,
Without memory, right?
correct. So I just make it as this is revert to this, okay.
Mm-hmm.
While reverting, the machine totally it's power off mode
Mm.
because memory state we didn't take it. So we need to do the manually. We need to power
Power
on
up.
that particular.
Okay,
That is a
because you didn't take the memory with it. Okay,
exactly correct. Yeah. So always why they are taking as memory take much time. So that's why
that's
they
why.
never take. So in environment we
Mm.
will be asked. So you want the memory state or without memory state. If it's
Mm.
memory state, then we have to click on that and it take much time.
Mm-hmm.
You got it? Or
Yeah.
still you confused or something?
No.
So I just going revert back again. See, with the memory state. Okay, VM3. Okay, go to. If you click on this, what happen? The machine will be power on because the memory state we have enabled.
Mm-hmm.
See, now you got machine is power on. You see,
Yeah.
so that's the difference.
Mm-hmm.
So now I just go into the ESH and show you what is the parent, all the stuff, how to check on that. This is the troubleshooting they will ask. Okay,
Which one? Okay. What are you doing?
I just log into the ESS host and go into
Okay.
that particular VM. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
VMFS is the file system
Mm-hmm.
and LS. Now I just go into the volume now and LS and data store where it's there, data store one, right? That is the local data store, correct? So what is the thing? The VM, which VM we have done it?
Cologne VM. Mm.
Clone VM, right? So
Yeah.
okay. See, you can see this type of
All
files.
those files are there.
Yeah. Once you take the snapshot one, it will show the delta file. You can
Mm.
able to see, right? Data will
Mm-hmm.
delta, delta, delta. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now I just going for each one. Okay. Clone VM hyphen 0000003 dot VMDK. You
Mm-hmm.
can see the parent.
Oh, okay.
Parent is clone VM dot VMDK.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you choose two, what is the parent? You can able to check.
Where did you see that? Oh, parent.
See,
Okay, file notifier. Okay.
yeah.
On the Delta file, you did it on a Delta, right?
Delta, I didn't do anything. Automatically, it will come.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Once you take the snapshot, I missed 10. I think. See, here the parent VM it will be chosen as 0001.
Mm-hmm.
You got it. See,
Yeah.
the clone 002. What is the parent? Means clone 001.
One. Okay, we did one and then we did two. So it'll go
Correct.
be in sequence.
So you can check what is a parent disk, what is the thing in the ESSO,
Mm.
not in the snapshot in the vCenter level, because it will
Mm.
show only the summary. So how many snapshot you have taken, where it is stored, all the stuff it will be there in the data store, not in the C. Snapshot one,
Mm-hmm.
this, snapshot two, all the stuff. But which one
Mm.
is a parent, which one is a something, it will not be shown in this data store. We have to log in into the ESS host and check which one is the parent one.
So you cannot check under the uh, snapshot manager.
No, it will not be shown. So the parent, how you check? It will not be shown the parent. It will show the way how it's work. See, snapshot manager, clicking on that, it will show how many snapshot is available.
Mm.
It will not give the exact thing where the path and
Mm.
all the stuff. It will not be there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You got it right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So snapshot we have completed. So consolidated is one of the option it will show is consolidation. Okay, it's all consolidated
Consolidate.
means
Okay.
yeah. Consolidate. What is consolidated? It's mixing up all the thing
Consolidate all
in
those into
yeah.
back to. Um,
Oh, single test.
mhm,
Okay, that is why
mhm,
you will be using it. But normally they will never use it. If the VM, it will show summary state, consolidate. That option it will be there. Okay, it automatically it will be pop up. So once you pop up, then only you have to do the consolidate. Otherwise, you should not do any consolidation. Okay, normally we never do that one.
mhm.
That's the thing. So now the last topic is the update manager. That is the main core for today. So you are no aware of that update manager
No.
till now you never do it. Okay, fine. You just give me 5 minutes. I'll just have water and come. Okay.
Mhm.
Shall we go?
Mhm.
So the update manager we can do. There are two types. Okay, host level and the VM level. VM means virtual machine. Okay, the
Mhm.
host level we call it as host upgrade, host patch, and host extension. Okay,
Mhm.
so the virtual machine we call it as VM tools and hardware version. Okay,
Mhm.
so what is host upgrade?
Upgrade host from version 4 to 5 or 6 to 6, 5, 6, 7. Is that what it
Yeah,
is?
correct. 5.0 to 5.5, like that we can able to upgrade,
Mm-hmm.
or 5.5 to 6.0, something we can able to do through the update
Mm-hmm.
manager. So what is host patch?
If there are any
Patching,
security patch release for the host
yeah,
itself, yeah.
correct. Yeah, the patch can be patch will be applied, okay,
Mm-hmm.
to the host. So what is host extension?
Hmm. That I don't know.
The host extension nothing but the drivers or something, right? The host
Ah.
VM. So that type of things we can able to combine into that and make it as host extension.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, fine. So what happened, right? The VM tools and auto version, if you upgrade 5.0 to 5.5 or 5.5 to 6 or something,
Mm-hmm.
the tools and auto version it will be the different one, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, we need to upgrade. So we can be able to do from the update manager actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
these are the things we can. These are two different things we can able to do through the update manager. How it's work, that is the main. So the update manager we have the patch repository is the one of the main thing. Patch
Mm-hmm.
repository, okay, and baseline and baseline group, okay. The
Mm-hmm.
patch repository is nothing but all the patch, okay. It
Mm-hmm.
will be stored on the centralized one location, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
like VMware, in VMware we will be having bug fix, okay,
Mm-hmm.
security, then what is critical patch. So all the patch will be download in that patch repository. And Microsoft, if it's same Microsoft is there, okay, again the bug fix, critical patch, and 2008 patches, 2012 patch, 2016 patch, like that it will be available and it
Mm-hmm.
will be stored on the centralized in the patch repository. Okay. What is baseline? Baseline is nothing but need to segregate. So it's all combined, right? Now in the patch repository, it all combined with the all the patches.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to segregate what critical patches for 2016, critical patch for 2012. Like that, we have to do that. You got it, or it's got confused or something?
No.
So now, what is baseline group? What is that means? You done all the patch, okay? Suddenly, one of the person is telling that we need to go after 4 months. They want the $2,000 newly virtual machine, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you have install all the component, all the stuff. but only the patching is left. Okay. So
Mm.
what we'll do? So we need to create. We need to append all the baseline or all the baseline combine into the one group and push it. So we cannot able to do one baseline. It take much time, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
can able to make it as a group, and all the baseline for that 2012 patch already created in the baseline, that all combine and push it across to that particular machine. We can able to do like that also, right? That is called
Mm.
baseline group. We can group it and push it up. You got it, or
Yeah,
still
yeah,
got
yeah.
confused? Okay, fine. Now we are just going for installing the update manager now,
Okay. So you can
because the
you're on which server, on a VM, or you're on a vSphere
vSphere we don't have the
install?
separate VM. Okay, now I
Okay.
just going for installing the same machine itself. But in real time, they will use it for the separate one. Okay,
Okay. So hold on. Oh, vSphere. Okay. So this one, you send me this one installer.
which one? It's a Vim, right?
Oh.
Vim already
Oh.
on same thing. It's all combined into the vSphere client.
Oh.
All
Okay.
the stuff it will be there. So I just going for the embedded because the database should be there. So we can able to use it for time being for 60 days. So just click
Okay.
on this and install. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
time being it will be installing that SQL Express edition.
Mm-hmm.
Since we don't have the external database now, we need
Right.
to
Yeah, you
use
can
the
just use this
we need to
Microsoft.
yeah.
Does that come with it, or is it the license? Also has a license.
No. Only 60 days. Again, we need to demolish and we need to put it. Only 60 days it will be there.
No, no, no. The update manager is available for all VMware, or just only for enterprise?
It's all VMware.
All license has
All
a
will license.
standard
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
enterprise
correct.
both.
Not
Okay.
standard. Enterprise it will be there. Surely.
So not on a standard one or the audition.
I, because I'm not sure the in standard it will be there or not. Because no one
All.
using the standard, right? So that's
Mm.
why we never. Because enterprise first, normally they will use it.
Okay.
So we need to click on no always. Okay.
Mm.
So it's done. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's going for the installation.
Okay.
So click OK.
Mm-hmm.
You've done it previous in environment
No,
or
no.
okay.
I only have a two, one host and two guests on. Like I have a two separate
Oh,
VMware install, but both is a separate host, one single host and two guests. And
oh,
I
there
have
is
a
no cluster.
the
No
Hyper-V.
cluster.
No cluster on Hyper-V. I have a cluster on a three host and about
Okay.
52 VMs I'm running on a Hyper-V.
Oh, not in the virtual machine, VMware, not in the VMware.
Not on VMware. No.
It's totally different environment, I think.
Oh yeah. I mean, they have almost similar everything, but different terms and
Okay.
different things. Yeah.
So I just giving the accept. So this is the thing, right? Download default update. So
Hmm.
once I click on this, it automatically download. Now
Downloads it.
I don't want to do that because it's connected to the internet. It automatically download. So here
Uh,
we need to give the that
user and
vCenter user
password.
ID and password. So you are basically program manager or what? That role?
I work in IT.
No, no, no. As a there is a because manager, program manager like that. The position is there, right? So
Yeah.
is there for you any position is there or you are generally system administrator like that?
I'm a manager.
That's it. Okay. Administrator that user ID and password you have to go because normally
Mm-hmm.
we need to give the what is the vCenter username and password. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So click on next. It will be connected to that particular vCenter. So now it will show that if you that vCenter the fully qualified name
Mm-hmm.
and IP address. These are the port. It should be default. So there is no problem at all. So
Mm-hmm.
click on next. So yeah, where need to be installed, where need to be download. So the
Mm-hmm.
download path should be the having many GB. Okay, normally we should
Mm-hmm.
not keep the C drive or D drive or something. We need to give at
Mm-hmm.
least 150 GB need to be kept. It will show this is the thing.
It's less than 120 gig.
Okay,
Oh,
it will be informed.
okay.
So that's the thing. So we need to click on install. It will be installed now.
Mm.
So it's finished now. So once we need to click on this, sorry, it's already open, right? So now it's already installed, right? You can able to
Mm-hmm.
see anywhere? Nothing we can able not be able to see, right? So
Mm-hmm.
go to plugin, manage
Okay.
plugin. Okay.
Hold on. Let me write it down.
Yeah, yeah, you can note it down.
Where did I put my pen? Mm. Right. Yep. Available plugin.
Okay. So
Yep.
just go to plugin. I just go to
Mm-hmm.
again. Go to
Mm-hmm.
plugin, manage plugin. It bottom you can available plugin. Now it's there, right? So just
Mm-hmm.
click on download and install. Okay. Just click on that. It will automatically it will install the client. Okay.
Okay.
So now we need to click run. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once it's run, it will be client will be installing again English.
Oh, okay.
Uh, Next agreement. Next install. It will small package. It will be installed
Mm-hmm.
and click finish. So once it's done, it will show the status as enabled.
Mm-hmm.
See.
Oh, okay.
So and automatically it will show here. You can able to see now.
Oh, okay. Yep.
That plugin will be always there.
Okay.
Just click on this. I can able to see all the stuff. So I told right baseline and baseline group.
Mm-hmm.
So the VM. Okay, this is a default
Mm-hmm.
thing. So baseline group is one of the thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and configuration. Whatever the download settings. What time you want to download.
Mm-hmm.
So all the stuff it will be there. So download settings. So you have to give the link, Microsoft link or some whatever you want. That link need to be given, and you have to click on download. It it's automatically it will be scheduled. You no need to do that one. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So download schedule. What time it should download? So it will be the edit downloads. If you want, you can able to edit it and set the time. Normally they will have some
Mm-hmm.
default settings, right? So it will be there. So notification check schedule. So what is notification? Once it's downloaded, you have to make sure that it's this page has been downloaded and notify me. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So the notification should be happen. That's why the notification check schedule. That is the
Mm-hmm.
option is enable. This is a default thing. So no need to change anything as per the virtual machine settings and ESS host cluster. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
normally what happened, right? Mm, yeah, okay. The patch repository. I told right. Yeah, all the patch
Mm-hmm.
will be stored here, and we can able to make it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. So ESXi images. We need to import that image, and we can able to upgrade that one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
5.5 research or something. We can able to do that one.
Can we do that?
Okay. Now we are just 6.0. I don't have a 6.5. Okay.
6.7. Yeah, 6.7, right? The latest one.
6.5 and yeah, because now it's 6.0 actually. I don't have
Mm.
the 6.5 years as host. The thing. So if we have 5.5 you or something, if we have, then we can create one more host tomorrow or day after tomorrow
Okay.
in cluster, and we can go for upgrade or something. We can do
Okay.
that.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can see one of the thing. So rightly because you forgot to put the maintenance. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Update manager.
you forgot to put the maintenance, and you are scheduled for the patching. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened? The first step, the update manager, what will do? First thing, first it will check that the OS is in the maintenance mode or not. Because without that, it will not be proceed. If you are not put that maintenance mode, this update manager will start putting the maintenance mode. All the VM will be moved from one host to another host and make it that host as a maintenance. Then
Automatically.
you,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah, that is a step. It will be first step. It will do that. That's why I don't want to change the setting. Right, that
Mm-hmm.
update manager setting I don't want to change. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's why I given it. So now what is here? If something you need, if, I just creating a dummy, okay, dummy baseline, I can show you. So click on this create. It will have that or whatever I told, it will be available. The host
Mhm.
patch, host extension, and host upgrade.
Mhm.
I told right. So the host
Mhm.
patch, host extension, and host patch. If you click on this host patch, just click on next. It's fixed and dynamic. These are the two options it will be shown. Okay. If
Mhm.
you given fetch, okay, in the
Mhm.
baseline it will be available. If new patch comes after the 1 or 2 months, so you cannot be able to add to that to the
Same one.
baseline.
Mm.
Yeah. If you given to the dynamic, it you can able to add it. That's a difference. So fixed
Mhm.
means you cannot do any changes once you create the baseline.
Mhm.
Dynamic, you can able to get that new patch into the added into the baseline.
Mhm.
Okay. It depends upon your environment, you have to choose it. That's fine. So what are the patch? It's a low, medium, moderate, or critical, whatever the patch, you just having it, right?
Mhm.
It will show all the thing. Then you have to select what patch you require. It will listed all the patch and you need to execute which are the patch in that. So you need to put that down arrow
Mhm.
and make it use of it and click same thing. There is no remaining patch in the patch repository. Okay, patch repository I told right.
Mhm.
So all the patch will be stored here. So next and finish. Now the baseline has been created here. Correct.
Mhm.
So now what happened? Now we need to go for the particular patch. So just go here, attach, and click on that which baseline you want to attach.
To the host.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, we are just going for patch or something. Then click
Mhm.
on attach. Now it will show here. Okay, it should
Mhm.
be as a red. Once you
Compliance. Yeah.
attach, it
Mhm.
will be complaint should be red. Then you can go for the patch. If it's green, it's perfect. That's it.
Mhm.
Okay, stage
Mhm.
and remediate. These are the two options it will be available here. What is stage means you are just keeping that all the patch ready and you are not executing at the current time.
Mhm. Staging. Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
so the stage is we are just keeping the all the thing ready and night time once a schedule it will be pushing up.
Pushing.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mhm.
What is remediate? Remediate means immediate effort. No need to keep the on stage. We need to execute now itself. Then you are directly you can able to make it as a remediate option.
Mhm.
No need to go for the stage.
Okay.
If you're going for night, you have to keep that all the stuff into the in evening itself in stage
Mhm.
and make it as remediate in the night schedule whatever you want.
Mhm.
No, I don't want to do in the night. I just want immediate limit. Directly you can push it up into the remediate option. There is no
Mhm.
problem.
Okay.
You got it?
Mhm.
Okay. This is the update manager. So how to add, how to do that, all the stuff. Any doubt till now? So
No.
template, clone, snapshot, and update manager.
No.
Okay. Once you do right, the patch manager we cannot able to do. Only upgrade we can able to do. I can show you. Next, once you finish the class, we'll do one day. Okay,
Mhm.
5.5 and make it show you how to upgrade that one.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow we're just going for the virtual machine class. I just send that PPT. You just look into
Okay.
that if you have time. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. I just sending the link, all the links, whatever the we have recorded, right? So I just hope you can able to see one of the mail from me regarding yesterday, today, right? Today I
Yeah.
just send one of the
Mhm.
recording. So once it's done, I will be sending this also, so you can look
Okay.
into that. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.